Items to pack for everyday hygienic beauty routine. I'm using UZZA makeup bag to pack items for hygienic beauty rituals during travel. I love this pouch. It's made from terry towel cloth fabric, can be washed easily and reused. It has nice thick lining, which is made of high quality polyester fabric to give a nice cover or isolation for the interior of the pouch. So let's get into it and show you the items I take with me in this cute pink pouch. First, my UZZA mini spatulas, important for scooping creams from jars instead of dipping my fingers, plus using it cold to soothe and massage around my eyes. Then my UZZA makeup brush cleaner. I have to clean my makeup brushes to ensure flawless application for my makeup and for a healthy skin. My beauty blender and its cleaner. This cleaner is also a cover and holder for my blender. Some rubbing alcohol pads are important to sanitize my other beauty tools. Extra pads for makeup and mascara removal. My amazing mascara and eye makeup removal. I can't live without this formula. My reusable pad. Extra spoolies for efficient mascara removal. I also carry more for mascara application. I don't use the brush that comes in the mascara packaging for sanitary reasons and to protect my eyes from recurring slides, and to protect the mascara product from cross-contamination.